Grinders transform whole mealworms into a smooth, high-protein powder for the noodles.
Flavor extracts are added to infuse the noodles.
Flash frying removes moisture and creates the instant texture consumers expect.
At the same time, cup noodles are formed with equal precision.
Controlled heat seals freshness into every cup.
Presentation ensures consistent brand visibility.
A global supply chain delivered in minutes. It all begins with carefully cultivated mealworms, the foundation of our unique noodle production. Each tray is harvested with precision, ensuring only the finest mealworms continue forward. The harvested mealworms are transported efficiently to the first cleaning stage.
A gentle wash ensures cleanliness while preserving the integrity of the mealworms.
Every mealworm is inspected to maintain the highest quality standards.
Sorted mealworms are loaded into drying hoppers to reduce moisture efficiently.
The dehydration process prepares mealworms for long-term storage and processing. Once dried, mealworms are cooled rapidly for safe handling and storage. Each batch is weighed and prepared for the next stage, ensuring consistent production quality.
Prepared batches are packaged securely, ready to move to the modern noodle factory.
The mealworms arrive at the factory, marking the beginning of their transformation into innovative instant noodles.
The dried mealworms are carefully unloaded, ready for transformation into noodle ingredients.
Grinders transform whole mealworms into a smooth, high-protein powder for the noodles.
Collected powder is transferred efficiently to blending hoppers for precise mixing. Other essential ingredients are combined with the mealworm powder to form the noodle base.
Industrial mixers ensure a perfectly homogeneous dough for consistent noodle quality. Every batch of dough is inspected to guarantee uniform texture and quality.
Flavor extracts are added to infuse the noodles with their distinctive taste.
Pre-steaming locks in flavor and begins the cooking process for instant noodles.
Controlled cooling ensures the dough sheets are ready for precise cutting and shaping. The dough is flattened into precise sheets, the first step toward instant noodles.
Dough sheets are cut into perfectly uniform noodles, ready for final cooking stages.
Portioned noodles are transferred seamlessly to cooking lines, maintaining smooth production flow.
Inside the steam tunnel, the mealworm noodles are fully cooked under controlled heat.
Uniform steam penetration ensures even texture throughout every strand.
Moisture levels are monitored precisely before shaping begins.
Measured portions are shaped into the familiar noodle block.
At the same time, cup noodles are formed with equal precision.
Flash frying removes moisture and creates the instant texture consumers expect.
Cup noodles are dried with circulating heat for balanced consistency. Excess oil drains away, stabilizing the structure of each block.
Cooling towers bring every noodle portion to optimal handling temperature.
Seasoning is applied with measured accuracy to every block. Each cup receives its flavor components automatically.
Now fully formed, the noodles move seamlessly toward final packaging. Each cup is precisely fitted with a protective lid. Controlled heat seals freshness into every cup. Traceability is printed clearly on every single unit. Multiple cups are bundled for efficient distribution.
Noodle blocks are enclosed in airtight packaging.
Every wrapper is sealed with uniform precision.
Automated weight checks guarantee consistent portions.
Cartons are formed and prepared for final packing.
Bundled cups are packed swiftly into distribution cartons.
Noodle blocks are counted and packed with exact accuracy. Sealed cartons move forward, ready for bulk handling.
Sealed cartons gather in precise formation for bulk handling.
Alignment systems prepare each carton row for stacking.
Robotic precision begins stacking the production output. Each layer is positioned with exact structural balance. Interlayer sheets ensure safe transport and stacking strength. A full pallet stands ready for warehouse storage. Forklifts move finished pallets toward controlled storage. Stretch wrapping secures the cartons for stable transport. Multiple layers of film lock the cartons firmly in place. Bulk identification labels prepare the pallet for inventory tracking. From production, the pallets transition into warehouse operations. Stored systematically, the mealworm noodles await distribution. Every pallet of mealworm noodles is digitally tracked in real time. Automated systems retrieve inventory with precise coordination.
Selected pallets move toward dispatch preparation.
For custom orders, pallets are partially broken down. Cartons are sorted by destination with automated accuracy.
Orders are assembled to match retail demand.
Extra protection ensures safe, long-distance delivery.
Shipment pallets are rebuilt for outgoing distribution.
Stretch wrapping stabilizes each outbound load. Shipping data finalizes the pallet for transport.
The loading bay prepares for departure.
Finished products leave the factory, heading toward retailers.
The journey continues at the regional distribution hub. Each pallet is carefully unloaded for verification.
Inbound checks confirm shipment accuracy and integrity.
From inspection, pallets move toward regional allocation. Automated sorting directs inventory to the correct territory.
Pallets wait briefly in organized storage. Retail demand triggers the next movement.
Inventory flows forward to meet consumer shelves.
Cartons are reorganized for individual retail outlets.
Store-ready pallets are secured for final delivery. From hub to storefront, the supply chain narrows.
The final leg carries the noodles toward consumers.
The Mealworm instant noodles arrive at the retail store.
Backroom handling ensures controlled store-level distribution.
Inventory systems update instantly at store level.
Cartons are opened, preparing the noodles for display.
From storage to shelf, the movement remains continuous.
Shelf space is prepared for precise product placement.
Every pack is aligned for visibility and access.
Cup noodles stand ready beside their block counterparts.
Presentation ensures consistent brand visibility.
Pricing accuracy completes the stocking process.
Now the product reaches the consumer.
The supply chain concludes at the retail floor.
Months of engineering condensed into one decision. The final transformation begins.
Heat unlocks flavor and texture.
A global supply chain delivered in minutes.
From precision manufacturing to everyday convenience auto. This is modern food engineering.
The journey from factory floor continues seamlessly.
A seamless transition from production to home.
Engineering meets culinary convenience.
The final transformation begins.
Heat unlocks flavor and texture.
Ready for the first bite.
A global supply chain delivered in minutes.
Innovation on the factory floor becomes daily delight.
From precision manufacturing to everyday enjoyment.
And this is how modern factories produce instant noodles from start to finish.